How to download Roblox Studio on your laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see how to easily download Roblox Studio on your laptop. Let's get into it. First thing you have to do is make sure that you're connected to the internet. Go to the search bar and then simply search for Roblox Studio download. And once you've done that, hit and then click on the Roblox Studio download from here. And then click on the installation right here on Roblox Studio Setup. Once you click on it, you should be able to download the file over here. Click on Download Studio. Now click on Download. I already have it, so that's why it's showing me to open, but you will basically have the download available up top. And then you can go to your File Explorer, then go to your Downloads. Once you are here, you'll find the Roblox Studio, and then you could just go ahead and open it up. I already have Roblox Studio over here, so it's just asking me to open it up. Even if I tap on download, I can just click on Open Roblox Studio, and it's going to start installing it. That's basically it, guys. Now you can just set up with your account here, create games, and open other private or public personal experiences, and you'll be good to go. That's how you basically download Roblox Studio on your laptop. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.